Hey yo, Nico, this one go hard.
Yeah. Look, we just wanna be free. Keep it silent like they chrome. It's crazy. They put money on his dome. Excuse me,
What's good with it, y'all? It's another day, man. Another opportunity. Today we got a lot to do, man. So many shoes to do, so many hats to try to get done before the live tonight on Whatnot at 8 o'clock. So I think it's 8. It may be 9. I don't know. I'll let y'all know. But yeah, got a bunch of shoes to do, a bunch of hats to try to get done, man. Try to get some stuff sold. Sold. But I'm going to Atlanta this weekend, as y'all know. Just got back from Knoxville. I'm going to Atlanta this weekend for my little brother football game. So we gotta get some money, man, cause that's gonna be expensive again. So without further ado, and then all my bills due again, car note, insurance, all this. Lord have mercy. If y'all want me to do a video on how I pay my bills with you know, as being an entrepreneur and with shoes and stuff like that, y'all let me know. But without further ado, let's go. In here working, man. Getting some more bandana customs done. As y'all can see. Getting them just done. Hats, more hats. You know, these some of the rope laces for the bandana joints. Getting stuff packed up, man. Other stuff made. New hats, you know what I'm saying? One-on-one right here. Other new hats, other shoes for sale. All kinds of stuff, man. Getting orders out. This is the life, man, of the entrepreneur. But yeah, man, this is what it takes, man. If y'all want to do this full time, woo, you know, yeah. But I'd rather my problems than other problems.
niggas plotting all alone, and in tragedy, can't go back home. So wanna know what the truth is. The way we know we could been had 2 kids. Spaceship, yeah, I know I got you zooted. This ain't a movie. In real life, no other choice but to do it. Take it up and still down. I know the exact time to get to you, how. Make sure you hit my line before the night fall. I don't know about y'all. Ain't had no time to make a fall. Get right back up.
What's going on, y'all? It's another day and another opportunity. So right now we about to just get the day going, man. You know, Big Bonnet Cadet in the building, Hoodie Cadet in the building, you know what I'm talking about? So I got hats to work on today. I have shoes to work on today, man. It's just a whole lot. I gotta get ready for the Whatnot Live tomorrow. I did okay last night, you know. It is what it is. Sometimes you gonna have 30 points in the game, sometimes you gonna have 4. But you gotta show up for that next game, you feel me? So tomorrow I got another Whatnot Live. I want another one of those, and man, we gotta get these orders out today. And y'all just follow along, man.
Back to the basics, I'm speed racing. And if the brakes stop, you know you can't save me. You should love me right now. No maybes, no hesitation. Got no replacement. Still haven't took it all in. One of the greatest. Don't know when it's going in. I just keep waking up. I just keep showing love. They think they got one up on me. I just sit back and watch them bleed. Easy to spin in the bins, but can you do it again? Can do this hit with no pen. Know this when all this begins. Okay, y'all, we just got these hats wrapped up. Now we gotta get them packed up and sent out. Alright, so I gotta clean out my airbrushes, man. They ain't working properly, so I gotta break them apart. This is a part of what you gonna have to do, man, if you gonna airbrush. Go ahead and spend maybe 30 minutes to an hour trying to clean these up. Let's go, man. Alright, y'all, we got the I don't know, icing. Got the icing done on these. Now all we gotta do is just do the little detail work on outline the swoosh, throw the chocolate chips on there, and then we gonna be finished. On to the next thing after this. Okay, so now I have just about completed these, put the little sprinkle chocolate chips on there, outline the swoosh, all that kind of stuff. And I'm about to add the finisher now. So boom, this is how we're looking as of now.
you know, nice and crispy. Let's put this finish on there, man. What's happening, y'all, man? It's the next day, and today is a very, very busy day. So we got to get a lot of shoes out, shipped out. A lot of hats shipped out. A lot of hats finished up. Shoes finished up. All kinds of stuff, man. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show y'all what. You know, we got a few pairs of the. We gotta get these done. Wrapped up. Just put the little, you know, string, little wrap things on there. I gotta do these. I'm doing like a burgundy pair. I mean, hat boxes on boxes, whatever. You gotta get a lot of shoes out today. Dang, what the rest of the stuff here? Well, anyway, man. I keep y'all updated, man. I'm gonna take y'all with me throughout the day, as much as I can. So let's go on and get to it, man.
The hoes.
Alright, y'all, so we got them completely finished. This is the new one. It's the new design we just got done, man. Y'all can kind of check the details and everything. Let me turn this down a little bit. Maybe it focused in. Yeah. Alright. Nice little burgundy distress type of deal. Rope laces in that thing. Time to in. You know. That burgundy thing. But yeah, man, if y'all want a pair, hit me up on Instagram, you know. Cadet_B7. You know, the website down right now, so we can go rock out like this here, but ooh, they looking crispy. It's good, y'all. So I gotta make my second trip to the post office right now. It is what it is, I ain't that jump by. Well, yeah, once we get back from the post office, probably gonna hop on another order, man. Golly, I'm dang near white. But you know, you get up with me. Okay, hell, I got in your way, I'm sorry. I forgot, I had to pick up some tape, so just went in, was it Lowe's? Had to pick up some tape, man. I'm gonna go get this other order done before the live tonight. Got a live at 8:30 tonight, so let's go get it, man.
Fucking petty, man. You going is a job, then try come back around me. I show my ins and outs, it's your choice to look at me funny. Show my ins and outs, show you what I'm about. Don't try to play me now, that glizzy poking out. I may take you out.
Y'all, it is currently 11:20 p.m. Y'all was wondering like what it takes to be a full-time artist or whatever you're trying to do. This is the kind of stuff. I'm right now. I'm headed to FedEx. We have a FedEx location in Memphis that cause y'all know this is the mecca of FedEx. So we have a FedEx that closes at 12 p.m. It's the FedEx warehouse actually. So I'm trying to get this person their shoes by the weekend, so I'm on the way to the post office at 11:20 after I have worked literally all day. From the time I open my eyes to now, I've done a whatnot. I've gone to the post office twice today to drop off packages. I've completed, I think, three pairs of shoes today. Somewhere between anywhere from 12 to 20 hats. I've gone to the mall today, Nike store, and City Gear actually as well. But yeah, man, this is it, man. This is the life, y'all. And this is what you gonna have to go through to get where you wanna be, man. And I still ain't there. What a life. Let's go, man. Just dropped the pack out, man. You know you. 11:44. Yeah, I know it ain't Cal. You know, yeah.